this is my room. I'm gonna be fully upgrading my room with a 3D printer. I'm gonna try and fully upgrade it with $200.
The next day.
Sorry, that was my cat. He's just very loud. I was fixing my S1 because it had a clog, and, well, I broke the pieces, and I tried to print it out, failed. I decided that this printer keeps clogging for some reason in the gearbox, that I brought my A1 in, so I'm going to switch out that printer with this guy. After it's all done, this is my setup. So I printed this shelf bracket because I had a random piece of wood, and here it is. I have a Quest 2, and it's just on the floor mostly, so I mounted it to the wall. I love cars, and I thought, like, I could just 3D print a bunch to put on my wall, so here you go. I have pliers, so I modeled up something so I could put it on the wall. It looks like it turned out great. My printers were not operating properly from Friday to Saturday, and I just couldn't print at all during those days, so yeah, I had to completely take them apart, so I'll just continue the series after. I'm back again with some more cars. I wanted some Gridfinity for my drawer so then I could have extra storage because all my drawers are really full. Looks pretty good. Luckily, at the last day of the challenge, the parts came for the wall planter. So that's the end of the video. This is my room after 3D printing and upgrading my room with 3D printers. And with $200. Please like and subscribe. It took me a very long time to make this video.